Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to see reviews on Facebook Marketplace. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or log into facebook.com if you're using a browser. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Marketplace by tapping on the Marketplace icon at the top of your screen. If you don't see it there, you can always find it in the Shortcuts menu. Now that you're in Marketplace, tap on the profile icon at the top right of the screen. This will take you to your Marketplace profile. Here, you can scroll down to see your seller rating and buyer rating. If you want to check reviews, simply tap on either seller ratings or buyer ratings, and you'll be able to see the detailed feedback that others have left. If you want to view all of your reviews, there's an option to See All Reviews, where you can read everything that's been posted about your activity on Facebook Marketplace. This can be useful to check how trustworthy a seller or buyer is based on past transactions. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.